Jeff Bedward drove fear into the residents of BELLAS Gate.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Viewers, the farming community of BELLAS Gate has been in the grips of a siege by 20-year-old Jeff Bedward, the suspect linked to the disappearance of a Clarendon teacher who was killed in a firefight with the police on Saturday the 3rd of April. Relatives and residents of the northwestern St. Catherine community have unveiled Bedward as a killer who drove fear in rural folk who did not seek the intervention of the police. Bedward's 23-year-old brother, along with 2 other men, was taken into custody by the police on Tuesday the 6th of April. It is unclear whether he is suspected to be the accomplice of the slain man or has been detained for questioning. 4 Parts primary school teacher Natalie Dawkins has been missing since the 30th of March. Jeff Bedward and another man, who eluded the police on Saturday, were found in possession of Dawkins' Toyota Wish motor car. The brother's father, Isaac Bedward, was filled with rage and disappointment on Tuesday. It better me never bother get them. It better be a girl picnic me did get, cause none of me girl picnic them now give me no problem, he said. The father of 8 said that his older son, who remains unnamed because he has not been charged with a crime, was receptive to advice, but that Jeff refused to heed his warnings and pursued a life of crime. Long time my follow man a do wrongs, you know, and me tell the police them for come for him, he said. The elderly Bedward said that his relationship with his sons has become strained over time as he expressed disapproval of them keeping bad company. He blamed his slain son's mother for his descent into crime. If his mother did take him up in a hand, Jeff wouldn't come so. Him got in any hours a night and his mother no said, "No, you can't come in them hours here." And she laugh and sit down and chat with him like him a big man. He spoke of an incident in which his deceased son was allegedly involved in a robbery with an accomplice 2 years ago. When the man wanted the 2 of them to go beat them and murder them, a girl passed and said to the man, say, "My son," and the man nobody beat him and just give him 2 slaps, he said. Jeff's mother, Andrea Pusey, denied the knowledge of his involvement in criminality. People say him bad. Me no know, me no see it. Me no know what to say. Me no see him look like no bad smaddy, she added. Asked about her older son, who is now in police custody, she said that he wasn't a close associate of his slain brother. Now, Jeff Bedward was brought to the community at the age of 2 and attended the BELLAS Gate Primary School before being moved by his parents to Chateau in Clarendon. Since Bedward's identity was released on Tuesday, still cautious residents expressed relief that he was indeed dead. He came back to the community since his grandmother died and occupied her house, said one resident who asked not to be named. "I saw him and another man last week in the same car I see on the news. They parked it down the road because they could not drive it up to the house. But we know he was a wicked man because a lot of us know him killed somebody from the community recently and we were afraid to tell the police," the resident revealed. Patricia Thomas, an aunt of Jeff, was quick to disassociate herself from the dead suspect. "Me don't have nothing to do with him. The boy come mash up my mother yard. Him not here. Him go on like him a Chucky. When him up at the house with them bad man friend them, who tell him what to do?" Thomas said. "Them should have killed him and re-kill him again," she declared, adding that she believed that he was party to the teacher's disappearance. Thomas, like Pusey, said she did not believe that the detained brother was involved in the disappearance of Dawkins. Bedward's 3rd grade teacher at BELLAS Gate Primary said he was a troubled child who was in and out of school. A farmer who asked not to be named said that Jeff Bedward and his cronies stole a number of his goats but did not report the theft to the police out of fear that he would be killed. Me even know say him used to hide him gun in a mango tree near to him grandmother house when him come in at nights. But me couldn't talk because him a killer. But now we can sleep in peace, the farmer said.
Teach them! Hey yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!